Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is an impressive blend of functionality and style, designed for those who seek an adventurous yet comfortable ride. With a powerful motor offering 3 adjustable speeds of 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this electric scooter can easily tackle a variety of terrains, making it perfect for both urban commuting and off-road exploration. One of the standout features is the 20-inch fat tires, which not only provide excellent traction but also enhance stability and comfort. These tires absorb shocks exceptionally well, allowing for a smooth ride over bumps and rough surfaces. Whether navigating city streets or tackling gravel paths, the Peak scooter performs admirably, ensuring a pleasurable experience for the rider. The scooter includes a comfortable seat, which is a significant advantage for those who might find prolonged standing tiresome. The seat is well cushioned, providing support during longer rides while still retaining the option for standing if preferred. This versatility caters to a wide range of riders, from casual users to those who need a reliable commuting option. Battery life is another crucial aspect of the Caroma Peak. With a robust battery system, it offers an impressive range that allows users to travel longer distances without the constant worry of running out of power. The charging time is also reasonable, making it easy to recharge between rides. The design of the scooter is sleek and modern, with a sturdy frame that feels durable. The controls are intuitive, featuring an easy-to-read display that provides essential information such as speed and battery status. Safety features, including front and rear lights, enhance visibility during night rides, while the responsive braking system ensures reliable stopping power. In summary, the Caroma Peak 500W divided by 800W divided by 1200W electric scooter is an excellent investment for anyone in search of a versatile, efficient, and comfortable mode of transportation. Its blend of robust power, stability, and user-friendly features makes it a standout choice in the electric scooter market.